Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. I'm here today with John Kerkes with State Farm. So John, my client's bought a house or looking to buy a house. When should he talk to you?
Once you're in escrow, I would say you want to reach out to your agent or myself or whoever your agent is immediately. Get the quote started. We can, typically when you're purchasing a home, that first year of insurance is going to be paid as part of the close of escrow. What we'll do is we'll set up the quote. If we have to inspect the home, we'll inspect the home ahead of time. We'll coordinate with the loan processor, lender, or the escrow person, whoever's going to handle that side of the transaction, and make sure that they have whatever they need, the proof of insurance, evidence of insurance, and the invoice. Typically, they're going to, again, pay for that first year of insurance as part of the close of escrow. Moving forward, in future renewals, you either oftentimes will have it included in your mortgage payment if you have a mortgage, or you'll pay for it outright directly to the insurance company. But as far as setting it up, I would get the quote started as soon as you know, hey, this is the home I'm going to buy. You've opened escrow. Get the quote started. Even if you're just looking at the home, your insurance agent should be happy to get you a quote prepared on a prospective home that you're looking at. As far as getting it set up, exactly. And then once you're in escrow, they'll generally set up the policy with an effective date that's really tentative based on the estimated closing date. However, that coverage is already bound and effective if anything, God forbid, should happen. And then once the close of escrow happens, they can adjust that date, the effective date of the policy, to actually be exactly with the date of closing, whatever the actual date of closing was.
Perfect. So no driving off the lot, no coverage, you're getting in an accident.
Exactly. Correct. Yeah, if you're buying it in cash, theoretically, you could buy it without insurance. However, I would definitely not recommend that.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. We'd love to hear from you.